So here's our multiplication homework 1. And you can see that the first one is done for us and we end up with 102. And we're just multiplying 3 by each of the digits. So 3 times 4 was 12. We wrote our 2, we carried our 1. 3 times 3 is 9, plus my 1 was 10. And that's how we got the 102. The second one, it's written out for us nicely in the grid. Notice how we put each number in a box so we can keep all of our place values straight. I'm going to start. I multiply by 2 is 10. So I write my 0 and I carry my 1. 5 times 2 is 10, plus the 1 that we carried, and so we get 11. So we end up with 110. The next one, we have 16 times 8. 8 times 6 is 48. Right, the 8, carry the 4. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 4 is 12. So we get 128. The next one is 31 times 9. 9 times 1 is 9, so there's nothing to carry. 9 times 3 is 27, so we get 279. Number 5, 25 times 4. And in my head right away when I see 25, I start thinking of money. And I know that 4 quarters is $1, so my answer should be 100. So this is a great one to be checking because I know that the answer should be 100 for $1. 4 times 5 is 20, so I write my 0 and I carry my 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. So we did get our 100. And 17 times 7, again I multiply the 7 by both digits. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 4 is 11. So we end up with 119. If I go on to the back, we're going to keep practicing 32 times 4. It's just getting that pattern down. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. So 128. The next one, 29 times 2. 2 times 9 is 18. Carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So we get 58. The next one, 42 times 5. Multiply that 5 by both digits. 5 times 2 is 10. Write my 0, carry my 1. 5 times 4 is 20. Plug that 1 is 21. So we end up with 210. My next one, 6. Multiply 6 by both digits. 6 times 6 is 36. There's a lot of 6's in this problem. 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 3 is 21. So we get 216. We're following the pattern, and this is a good practice because as we get into double digits, it's still the same pattern. We just do it over and over and over again. 5 times both digits, so 5 times 3 is 15. 5 plus that 1 is 11. And our last one is 48 times 6. So we multiply 6 by both digits. 6 times 8 is 48. Carry my 4. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 4 is 28. So we get 288. Okay. All of these I showed using traditional. If you did break apart or area model, that's fine. You can still be checking your answers with it. In class, I said that I'm going to be modeling our traditional way from now on.